Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Happy New Year. I hope this year will bring happiness and prosperity to all of us. So let's go to deals. I have done the CVS haul for this week. So Usefriend this week is spend 20 get $10 extra bucks, and this time Usefriend Baby is also included. So I bought this Usefriend Baby wash and shampoo and Usefriend Baby daily protection. So baby wash and shampoo was $10.49 and Usefriend daily protection was $11.49. I had 2 of 8 Usefriend Baby CRT and I have 2 of 10 Usefriend lotion CRT. I used both of them. And I used 2 coupons from usefriend.com for $3.50. That reduces my $10.98. I got back $10 extra bucks. Plus this counts toward beauty, the lotion. So I will get $1 from that as well, making it completely free for both of them. So Live Better vitamins are basically buy one get one free this week. I bought organic folate this time because I had 2 CRTs that was going to work on this, or maybe vitamin B2, but vitamin B2 bought last time. So this time I got Live Better organic folate. So they were $9.59 at my store. I had 2 CRTs of $3 each, making it $3.59. I rolled off $3.59 in extra bucks, and I think that's decent price for $1 and around 80 cents for each of them. Usually that's why I always recommend you guys to do the overage things or the moneymaker deals. So this week also I did moneymakers deal. We will go back to that one later. Let's go to next. So Tea Tree Sport Solution I did because of the same CRTs that I got every week. I got 2 CRTs of CVS Health Skincare. So I did the deal on this one because this is the only cheaper, or you can get the pore toner if you want to. But this is what I bought because this is like 29 cents after those CRTs. So spend 30 get $10 gift card. So you are going to get wellness gift card if you will spend $30 on selective products, in which L'Oreal Age Perfective was also included, Thermacare and No Cow protein bar as well. So L'Oreal Age Perfect was $19.49 at my store, Thermacare was $7.99, and No Cow was filler to reach $30. So No Cow was $2.99 at my store. I used 2 CRTs of $6 on L'Oreal Age Perfect. Plus I had $5 of 15 L'Oreal Age Perfect CRT. Plus this week insert we got $2 coupon for L'Oreal Age Perfect. So I combined all those 3. Thermacare we got $3 coupon this week. Plus I had $1 of Thermacare CRT. Plus I had $1 of 5 Pain CRT. On No Cow protein bar there was no CRT for me. But after those coupons and CRTs, that reduces my total to $6.47. I got back $10 gift card, making it $3 moneymaker. That $3 I used on my vitamin deal that I earlier showed to you guys. So that makes it balanced out. Let's go to next deal. So these are my CRT deals. I got some CRTs and coupon and I used that on them. So Club Soda Gold Emblem, that was 88 cents at my store. I think this is for this week, and I had a 50 cent CRT, so I used that one on that. Nail polish remover, that was I think $3.49 at my store. I used 2 CRTs of $1 each. That makes it $1.49. Alka-Seltzer gum, so I got this week $3 of heartburn relief, so I used that on Alka-Seltzer and making it $1.19 for each. Gold Emblem, that this week is buy 2 for $5 or $2.79 each, that juice. So I used $1.25 CRT on that, making it $1.50. CVS 5-minute whitening because I got 2 CRTs. One I got last week for $3 and one I got this week for $3. This was $6.79 at my store. I used both CRTs of $3, making it 79 cents for each. And those the black raspberry drinks, sparkling water, they were 88 cents at my store. And I had a CRT $1 off 2, so I used that one. And the L'Oreal Age Perfect cover up, that is $11.99 at my store. But last week I completed my 8th thing. So if you remember that last year we were having that thing going on, that if you will complete you will buy 7 hair products, then you will get 1 free. So I had that one. I used that one on that. Plus I used, because that was limited to $9 only, so I used $2 coupon, making it 99 cents only. So basically I used $7.14 in extra bucks. I rolled off that and I got these products for that. I think that's a decent price, and you can make average on other things as well. Let's go to next. This is like best deal of this week, because we got the coupon, we got the mystery coupon, and I had like coupon from Thursday as well. So on Thursday last week I got $5 off any cosmetic CRT, and this week if you will scan your coupon, you will if you will scan your card on Redbox machine, you will get back $4 for Revlon. Plus I had $4 of Revlon face CRT. I think everyone got it. If you will see that, and we got this week insert, we got Revlon face coupon as well. So I rolled off all 3, and Revlon this week is spend 12, get $4 extra bucks. So this Revlon Photo Ready BB cream at my store was $13.49. I used coupon and CRTs, making it 49 cents out of pocket. So I rolled off 49 cents and got back $4, making it $3.50 money maker that I used on the previous deal, reducing my price to that one. Let's go to next. So this is like shampoo deal after a long time that I used $4 of 18 CRT. So L'Oreal Elvive was 2 for 8, and we are going to get $3 of 2 instant coupon whenever we will scan our card on Redbox machine this week. Tresemme was 2 for 9, and when you buy 2 you will get back $2 extra bucks. Dove was $2 for $8, and when you will buy 2 you will get back $2 extra bucks. So I had $4 of 18. So total before coupons and CRT it was $25. I used $4 of 18. I used $3 of 2 instant coupon, and I used $3 of 2 L'Oreal coupon from coupons.com. I used that. Tresemme, we got this week $4 of 2 Tresemme coupon, plus we have $2 of Tresemme coupon on CVS app as well. Then we have $3 of 2 Dove coupon that we got this week, and I had $2 of Dove CRT, plus I had $1 of Dove coupon on my app as well. So making it $3 out of pocket, and you will get back $2 for Tresemme plus $2 for Dove, making it $1 money maker. I have another scenario for you. Let me show that one to you. So in this scenario I did $3 of $12 shampoo CRT. So according to me, if you will buy 2 Tresemme plus 2 Dove, that will be $17 before coupons and CRT. Then you can use $3 of 12 shampoo CRT, $3 of 2 Dove coupon from this week insert, $4 of 2 Tresemme coupon from this week insert, $2 of Dove CRT, $1 of Dove coupon from CVS app, $2 of Tresemme coupon from this CVS app. That will reduce your total to $2. You will get back $4 for buying both of them, making it $2 money maker. So if you have $3 of 12, you can use this CRT. That will be good for you. Let's go to next. So Kellogg's this week is $1.99, and there is no as such extra boxes printing for them, but that's a decent price. Plus I got the coupon, we got the coupon from coupons.com as well for $1 of 2, and on CVS app as well there is one coupon of $1 of 2, so making it like 50 cents off on each of them. Plus I got 40 cents from Ibotta as well for buying these two, so making $1.10 for each of them. I think that's a good price. You can use your extra box on these kind of stuff. Thank you guys, really appreciate your time for watching this. I hope this can help you in saving more. Stay tuned, stay happy. Happy New Year once again.